Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to Emaan's Digital Designs, your go-to channel for learning how to design stunning visuals. Today, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of creating this mouth-watering chow mein post in Canva. This design is perfect for restaurants, food delivery services, or even small food startups looking to stand out on social media. But wait, this video isn't just about learning. If you're a business owner or someone who needs custom designs like this, you're in the right place. I offer tailor-made designs that are creative, eye-catching, and most importantly, effective in growing your business. Stick with me until the end to see how you can place your orders effortlessly. Now, let's get started. This chow mein bowl design is guaranteed to grab attention. When creating promotional content like this, my goal is always to make the post, point 1, visually appealing. Point 2, easy to read. Point 3, designed to drive action, in this case, getting people to order chow mein. I'll show you how to combine these elements step by step using Canva's tools. Open Canva and start a new project. For social media, I always recommend using a square canvas, 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size works best for Instagram, Facebook, and even WhatsApp posts. I choose a bold orange background. Why orange, you ask? Colors play a huge role in food marketing. Orange and red are known to stimulate hunger and create a sense of warmth and energy. A design tip for you: use warm colors like orange, yellow, and red for food-related posts. Next, I added a subtle speckled texture to make the background less flat. Textures are a great way to add depth without overpowering your design. Then comes the star of the show, the food image. I used a vibrant, high-resolution photo of chow mein. When working on food designs, always prioritize quality images because they do 80% of the selling. If you're working with a client, make sure they provide clear and appetizing photos. I positioned the bowl in the center, surrounded by angled stripes to frame the image and guide the viewer's eyes. Notice how these stripes add movement and energy to the design. I enhanced the chow mein bowl quality with color grading. Now I added the shadow to give the depth. Now go to Elements and put this on design. Set this on upside the chow mein bowl. Let's move on to the text, an equally important element of the design. The font and placement of the text can make or break your design. For the headline, chow mein, I used a bold, playful font to match the vibrant vibe of the post. Canva has a huge library of free and premium fonts to choose from. Pick one that complements your theme. Font tips. Use bold fonts for headlines. Keep supporting text clean and readable. Avoid using more than 2 to 3 fonts per design. Now go to Effects and select text effect that suits on your design. I also added a smaller, handwritten style font for the word delicious to give the post a bit of personality. Combining fonts is all about creating balance, one bold, one simple. Go to Elements and search a food logo. It's just for idea, otherwise, clients always provide their own logo for post. Now I'm adding leaves on post to make it more realistic. Add blur effect so it'll not be prominent on post. Arrange it perfectly. All done. What's a promotional post without a great offer? To make this design irresistible, I added a circle element with the text, up to 50% off. Canva tools are perfect for creating these kinds of eye-catching highlights. I placed it strategically near the headline so customers instantly notice the deal. Finally, I am including the call to action button, Order Now, in a bold orange and white combo. The button's placement at the bottom right corner makes it accessible and clear, effective call to actions. Don't use action words like order now or a shop today. Highlight them with contrasting colors. Place them where the eye naturally falls. Group this and set as where you like. Every good design needs to tell customers where to go next. I added the business's phone number, website, and a globe icon to the bottom left. Canva icon library has tons of options to choose from. This small detail is crucial because it makes it easy for customers to connect without scrolling through captions. Now that we've added all the key elements, let's zoom out and review the full design. Notice how the bold orange background creates energy. The chow mein bowl is the centerpiece, grabbing immediate attention. The text and offers are clear and well placed. When all these elements work together, they create a design that's not just beautiful but also highly effective. Why choose my services? If you're watching this video and thinking, wow, I wish I had designs like this for my business, I've got you covered. At Eamon's Digital Designs, I specialize in creating custom social media posts, posters and flyers, branding materials that tell your unique story, and logos. I just go to Image Upscaler and upscale my full design. I understand that every business is different, which is why I take the time to create designs that match your goals and audience. Whether you're a restaurant owner, an entrepreneur, or someone starting out, I'm here to help you stand out. Here's how you can get my services: DM me for your design and share your design requirements and ideas. Now I'm copy-paste my design on another page and design it like a poster or a frame. Blur the image. Let me share a little behind-the-scenes secret. Great designs aren't just about creativity. They're also about understanding the psychology of colors, fonts, and layouts. That's why I always tailor each design to my client's needs, whether it's boosting sales, building a brand, or engaging customers. Your business deserves designs that make an impact, and that's what I'm here for. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more designs like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level with custom designs, don't wait. Message me today and let's create something amazing together. You can find my contact details in the description below. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate how this design looks in a real-world setting. I've created this professional mock-up in Canva to showcase how the chow mein post would appear as a printed flyer or menu insert. Mock-ups like this are essential for helping clients visualize how their designs will look in practical use. Whether it's on a table, in a restaurant, or in the hands of a customer, a good mock-up adds that extra touch of professionalism. Canva mock-up tools make it easy to present your designs in a realistic and polished way. As you can see here, the vibrant colors and clean layout of the chow mein design really stand out, even in print form. If you're a business looking to take your branding to the next level, I not only create custom designs, but also offer mock-up previews to help you see your ideas come to life before they're finalized. Finally, all set. Now download it in PNG file. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more designs like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right design, your business can shine brighter than ever. See you in the next video.
Bye.
For now.